Hello world and hello Instagram. What's up everyone? Welcome back to today's video. Now I just finished putting the final touches on my skincare routine. I just did a very healthy dose of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, fragrance-free of course, gel cream moisturizer. Spot on. Now I am just about to head out the door and today I'm taking you guys with me on another beauty adventure. I know that you guys love when I take you vlogging on skincare adventures, beauty treatments, and today is like literally the perfect thing to take you guys along with me. Today I'm going to get my eyebrows microbladed. Now I got my first initial microblading treatment just over 6 weeks ago now. I'll insert some before and afters right here. Now, initially when I got my eyebrows microbladed, my main concern was I had some patchiness through the ends of my eyebrows here, especially the tail end of this eyebrow. RIP, I sleep on the side of my face and my eyebrow was just not having it. I also did not have very much of an eyebrow beginning over here, and overall I just wanted fluffier brows, bolder brows, and a little bit less of an arch. Now my initial microblading treatment was really just to build the backbone of a new eyebrow, and then with this touch-up now at just over 6 weeks is really to take my eyebrows to the next level. So after doing tons of research, I chose Elle of Elle Munster Beauty. If you have any questions for me or Elle, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. Ooh, and our appointment is in about a half an hour, so let's get going.
My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. To start again. I'll see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know.
All right guys, so we've made it here to the iconic eyebrow goddess herself, Elle. Now, I just sat with some numbing cream on my eyebrows, as you guys can see here. Everything is super numb, and before we started, I wanted to ask you, Elle, for anyone that had any questions, what is microblading and what can people expect? What are we gonna do today?
Essentially, microblading is a semi-permanent tattoo. The reason we say semi-permanent is because we use different inks than a tattoo would, and we don't go as deep into the skin. You know, say after like a year, 2 years of getting it done, you decided like, I don't really want to get it done anymore. You can actually just stop and it'll fade out over about usually like a 3-year period.
So after the first initial appointment, you suggest then you do your 6-week touch-up.
Yes, the first session is about getting comfortable in it, mainly just like our background down. I base off of how comfortable you felt during that time, whether or not we can go darker in color, fuller in shape, etc. The 6 to 8 week touch-up is kind of that like the chef's kiss.
I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
All right,
Let's get it started.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, there's the color I want. So if you want to check it out just to see. I wanted this, so I was like, ooh, too dark.
Yeah.
So this one I think is just kind of perfect. It's like that nice taupey, like blonde. It's gonna give you a little bit more, like just a little bit more warmth. Yeah.
Perfect. I'm ready to roll.
Gone to the place where all this began. To start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. To start
Okay, I'm going to insert a picture right here that I took right after the appointment. Literally, it looks like I had a vitamin deficiency, like an iron deficiency, before microblading. What was I even thinking? This is the same eyebrow. Oh my gosh, what took me so long? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's beauty adventure, my brand new updated microbladed eyebrows. Now, of course, they're going to get darker over the next week. Basically, you just keep rinsing them a couple of times a day, just getting rid of those dead flakes of skin, but not over cleansing, not pulling, not, picking anything. We don't want any scarring. We want everything to just heal up very beautifully. So they're pretty dark right now. They are going to lighten over time. As you guys could see, there was absolutely no pain. It was totally painless, although you are numbed a little bit, so I guess that helps, but zero pain. It's not intrusive. As you guys saw at the beginning of today's video, my initial microblading session was very undetectable. It was very light. And today we really wanted to just take it to the next level, really fine tune things. And I think you nailed it. I feel like microblading has literally changed my eyebrows. If you've been thinking about microblading, in particular, if you're a guy out there, it is never too late to get full fluffy brows. I mean, I literally, oh my gosh, I can't. So make sure to let me know any questions that you have about microblading in the comments down below. I'll make sure to tag all of her information. If you have any questions for her in particular, let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for letting me vlog today. Thank you guys all for coming along on today's journey. Like always, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit subscribe or follow, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.